painting process to paint this pear. That's my color palette there, if you want to freeze frame and see that. So the basic yellowish, greenish I made with Hansa Yellow Light mixed with both phthalo blue and then at times cobalt teal blue. So to start out with, we want to get a mid-tone on the bright side. Put carefully sort of paint in some shapes. You look at the pear and you see, different planes, areas that are maybe a quarter-inch wide that are a sort of a consistent color, and those are the planes you paint. Next, here we have established, the general shape, and so I'm putting more or less clear water on there and blotting it up with a towel to create a highlight. Here I'm doing a background, which is a made-up background, which is never a good idea, but anyway, moving right along. Now we're trying to add some bold colors into the pear, because otherwise we're going to have nothing but wishy-washy colors on there. So this is the do or die stage. You really just got to pray it's going to come out good and hit people with some darker colors. So now I'm trying to hint at the stem, and the idea here is by putting these small planes which you identify on a pear and representing them with a brush stroke or three, then as you hit every area, with luck you'll have a 3D looking form, and if you're lucky there'll be some translucence for some unknown reason. So here again I was trying to remove the highlight. The perspective is important to achieve, and you get that with contrast, and a highlight is a shortcut to contrast. Anyway, I guess that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching Art Fun.